All right. So here we see a consumer standing in front of our future retail center in Second Life. Second Life is a virtual world. Basically, it is a new 3D front end to the internet. We built in Second Life an exact replica to our future retail center, which is located in Regensdorf in our Swiss headquarters, just 10 minutes from here. So here, basically, the consumer walks into the store, and he's seeing the exact products and shelves as they are in the actual store. Here we walk, oops, sorry. Right. So here we walk, and we see the smart shelf, which you can also see here on the stage. We can also zoom in and see the details of the products, so our consumer can still have the shopping experience. So now we are a real consumer, and we want to go shopping. We want to buy pasta, so we pick these two packages, and we place them in our shopping cart. You can also see that they disappear in Second Life. Now, our consumer picked his items. He wants to go to checkout and pay. In Regensdorf, in the actual store, we have an RFID tunnel scanner, which reads the products simultaneously, and then the consumer can pay with his mobile phone. Here we will demonstrate the checkout and the payment with our NFC-enabled mobile phone. So here you can see the different payment methods. You can see MasterCard, Maestro, or Visa. And here with our mobile phone, we can pick one of them. For example, we pick MasterCard, Maestro, or Visa. And you can see this on the screen here. So we picked Visa. And now we touch the point of sale terminal to transmit our credit card information to the actual system. We are asked to enter our PIN. We do that. We press OK, and now we confirm the payment, thereby receiving the receipt. So basically, the whole payment was enabled with this near-field communication mobile phone. So this was the consumer view. Now we switch to the retailer's view. The retailer gets from Second Life an exact status and the contents of the shelves. So he can see, for example, that a replenishment is necessary, so he can remotely trigger that. And now, for example, the employees would replenish the shelf. And this would also be visualized in Second Life. What we can also visualize is a misplaced item. So for example, here we have a detergent that is placed among pasta, which is wrong. So he can trigger a rearrangement of the shelves. The employees can do that, and we can also see that in Second Life, so it disappears. Of course, this smart shelf is connected to SAP systems, so we don't have to visualize it only in Second Life. We can also send automatic triggers, depending on the scenarios, to the retailer or the employees. Now, the last scenario is basically, while here we have a smart shelf, we have lots of data generated. We have also lots of other data from other point of sale applications. And companies need an easy, efficient way to make value of this data. So here, for example, I give you a simple example. We have sales information from many different years, many different retail stores. And we want, for example, to know how much does a certain category generate as revenue for us. So for example, we click on sauces to see how much do they generate as revenue in a year, for example, like 2006. And now in a little more than 2 seconds, we can get the information broken down by the product category. So we know that pomodoro is the best-selling sauce that we have. We can also drill down to the point of sale information to know which branch generated how much revenue. So here, for example, we can click on a specific branch, and then it would tell us the results of this particular branch. So here, basically, you can have business intelligence over more than 1 billion lines of code in a fraction of a second, and you can have information that is customized to you just at the speed of thought. Thank you. That was it.